Hello guys, how are you? Today I'm here for the tour of the hotel room that we have got in Madina. So this is the hotel which we have got on the urgent basis, and after seeing them I really surprised that we have really got the good hotel. Basically this is the room of the single two beds which we are seeing at the moment. After that, I will make you the visit of the master bedroom. So in the hotel, we got total three rooms, two bedrooms, and one will be the lounge. As you can see that all of the rooms were neat and clean, and their service was also too good. So I'm really satisfied here. This is the washroom that you are seeing at the moment. After that, I will be going to visit you the lounge that we have got there. So this is the lounge that you are seeing. These are the sofas, and obviously there is a TV there. If you really wanted to know the name of the hotel, kindly comment on the video so I will let you know the name. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates.